there's an interesting story. I've gone to Montana all my life, and I know a lot of ranchers in Montana. I know many of the ranchers in Montana. And when the Hmong go to Hamilton, where I go to visit Vang, it's not easy because Montana, people live in Montana, they don't talk much, they don't open their mouth much, and they are very tough people. Their life is tough. The weather is tough, and they don't like outsiders. And for a long time, they were they didn't get along with the Hmong. But slowly, when it became clear what I remember to this day a friend of mine who's now 97 years old and the toughest guy I've ever met came to me and he said, you know, 30 years ago I said I didn't like the Hmong. I'll tell you, I wish there were more Americans like Hmong because of the idea of how the Hmong deal with death. And he said, Americans are too soft. The Hmong are much tougher. So the whole thing changed quite markedly. Now, it took too long, but it did change.